Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Guys, what is going on in Go Season 6 Sunset Big Brother, guys? If you're not liked by celebrities, influencers, sponsors for Big Brother Season 6, trust me and believe there's nothing you can do, guys. You're gonna come out of the house and people they're gonna forget about you. Because right now it seems like people are focusing on Liema and Thandeka, guys. The celebrities are busy campaigning for Liema, while other influencers and the sponsors are campaigning for Thandeka, guys. You can see with this season, it's all about Thandeka and Liema. And I saw King Wanda say that he's waiting for Liema to cut off their houses so that they can work together, they can produce music. I'm like, King Wanda, I'm worried about you, because right now when Liema come out of the house, obviously DJ Center, she will try by all means to work with Liema. We know one thing about DJ Center. This is what she tried with Sweet Goluva last year, guys. I was so missy. They'll be focusing on Liema. Other artists, obviously they want to work with Liema because she'll be famous and she'll be holding a 2 million rand. What about you? So when it comes to Abu Q, Abu Didi, the best solution Didi she can do, you know what, she can go back to the university like Dube, guys. I just saw Dube, you know, he's now back to university, which is a good thing, guys. It's just because you didn't make it on Big Brother as a house, you can make it out there, guys. So Uluyanda, he's a teacher, guys, is doing so well. So you just need to fight for yourself, guys. Abo Bravo B, there are chances for him to be famous in KZN. Already a lot of influencers in KZN, they are campaigning for Bravo B. So for Bravo B, he can act, guys. You can see him on Uzalo anywhere. You know, he's trying. This year, I feel like he's given us a lot to say about him, guys. So obviously, KZN, they're waiting for Bravo B. As for Q, I don't know, guys. It's gonna be famous for 3 months. After that, people are gonna forget about it. Oh, she made a smart move, guys. She started her YouTube channel, guys. She's doing so well. At least she got a sponsor to work with KFC, guys, which is a good thing. As for Mshefani, what is Mshefani doing, guys? I forgot about Mshefani. Utumi the Baba, he's working on his Facebook account, busy posting content. Also, Mele, he say he will start posting vlogs on his TikTok account. He will start his YouTube channel. So, guys, you need to be very smart, because trust me and believe, people they'll be focusing on Thandeka and Liema. Even if one of them don't win, guys, people want to find out about Thandeka at the end of the day. So, guys. Anyway, guys, let's get to Thandeka. So yesterday, guys, Omeg, a South African media personality and the Chillers Punch owner, we know that the Chillers Punch, guys, is one of the sponsors of Big Brother Sons Season 6. So Omeg disclosed on his podcast that his wife, Naledi, she is Thandeka's biggest fan, guys, which is not a bad thing. He revealed that Una Lady shares bought the 1,000 SIM cards to vote for Thandeka. He mentioned to her to say, relax, it's not that deep. Una Lady was like, no, I'm not checking chances with Thandeka. I want Thandeka to win the 2 million rand. You can see what's going on right now, guys. The sponsors are campaigning for Thandeka, even though Omeg is not saying a lot in Thandeka, but you can see what he really loves Thandeka. I feel like when it comes to Meg, guys, even Chris Axel on TikTok, they do have the same personality like a Thandeka, guys. There are people like Thandeka, guys. Let me not get wrong. There are people like Liema, there are people like Didi. We all have different personality, guys. There are people that are voting for Thandeka because they see themselves as a Thandeka. There are people that wish to be Thandeka, to say that I wish I can have a confidence like Thandeka, especially in workplace. I can stand for myself, I can fight for myself. But because I don't have a confidence, everybody today just do whatever they do on me, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm stressed, I'm depressed. Another reason why a person will be depressed in workplace is because you cannot stand for yourself. You cannot talk. You just keep quiet and cry and go to your car and cry every day. Though you don't like Thandeka, there are a few things you can learn from her, guys. She also needs to work on herself when she come out of the house, guys. Even if she wins the 2 million or not, she wants to work with Brent. You need to understand that you need to respect. Your attitude is very important. How you talk to people, how you approach a situation, it's not about you, guys. Unless you want to go back to a private life, it's okay, it's fine. So anyway, guys, it's time in the conversation. What do you think about celebrities, influencers, sponsors campaigning for housemate in that house? So guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.